Hello there, welcome back to another video. Now, why am I making this video today is because I am very frustrated. Okay, again, I am very frustrated in this case. I'll tell you why. Okay, and I think based from the title of this video, you should already know why. Okay, it's because I'm currently, because of this. Let me just show you. Because of this. Okay, that's why I am very upset. Okay, now so this here is my phase 2 account. So this is my phase 2 account. This is my phase 2 account. Phase 2 account. Okay, and I'm very disappointed because of two things. Oh, look what happened today. Today was just, oh my god, today was just nonsense today. Completely nonsense today. Okay, completely nonsense today. So that was horrible. Entirely horrible. Entirely horrible. Now before that, yesterday 24, I was in the drawdown, but I managed to recuperate the balance again, and today was just nonsense, completely nonsense. I'll walk you through. Now the thing I've realized with me is like I'm able to pass phase 1. Let me just delete all this. So phase 1, let me just see if I can go back. I'm able to pass phase 1, yeah? So phase 1, I can pass. So phase 1, I can pass, yeah? So phase 1, I can pass. I can take my time, I can do what I need to do, I can pass phase 1. But whenever I come to phase 2, okay, that is the one. I've noticed that I've passed phase 1, I think 3 times already, okay? And whenever I get to phase 2, I always fail phase 2. Why is this? Why is this? Even though yesterday, let me go back. Okay, so even though yesterday I managed to bring the account back to where it was. Okay, and today I was like, okay, today is a new trading day. All right, let's look for opportunities in this particular case. And I messed up every single time. I messed up, and I'll show you where I messed up because this is very frustrating. Many traders are probably feeling the same thing as me, isn't it? Oh, some of you may already be feeling on the first phase straight away. Now let's take a look. The trade I was in, okay, is gold. Okay, now here's a trade on gold. Here's a trade on gold. Okay, now past phase 1. Let me go on 3 minutes from home. Yeah. So now I passed phase 1 somewhere in this range here. So this is where I passed phase 1. Okay, because why did I pass phase 1? Because market was going up. So high, low, high, low, high, low, high. So I was able to buy off the demand in this case. So here, market was trending up in this particular case. Okay, now let me show you what happened. What happened is market broke this, make a new high. We came back and we tapped into this unmitigated wick over there. Let me just zoom in so you can see. Okay, here we go. Let me just use this one, see what happened. Okay, so market break this. We come here and then we have a demand zone. And what happened? Market tap into demand zone to go even higher. And around, let's say, getting to New York's London session, what happened is we printed an order block here. Market went up, came down into this order block, tap into this. Now you can clearly see that we have no highs or lows, sorry, no lows in this case. We have this one, we have this one. So market went down to take our liquidity below this to push up. Okay. Okay, so let me use this one. That's much better. So I was able to buy off this particular case. So market came here. Now you can actually see that we started building liquidity here. We took it out to go high. So I was able to capitalize on these moves. I was able to capitalize on the move. Oh no, no problem at all. Okay. Now the problem here is today. Okay. So the problem I have is today. Okay. Now let me show you. This is what is the nonsense part. So today is Tuesday today. Okay. So let's go. Okay, let's go today, and we still need today. We still need today. This is the one that messed me up. This is the one that messed me up. I'll show what happened. Okay. Now I saw the market was going up. I saw the market was going up. Let me use my draw tools again. So I see the market was, what was market doing? Going up, and then we went higher. So my analysis now is okay. So we have an area of demand sitting down here. Okay, so an area of demand sitting down here. So I'm looking for price to come into this demand, okay, and to push higher. You can clearly see that market didn't do that. Market didn't do that. Now this is the 50-minute time frame. Let me go on the 3-minute time frame to show you what was happening. That's what I was looking at. Okay, so we have at this point here. Okay, now price. Okay, let me use my pen now. Now price, upon arriving to this POI, so this is our POI in this particular case. Now what we have is we have this liquidity area to take. Now this low couldn't take out this high, so this was liquidity again. So liquidity. So price want to take out this liquidity. Now before New York session actually opened, price push up, came down, tried to push up again. So we are building liquidity again. And I was like, okay, I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait for price to take out liquidity, to tap into the POI zone, and then to start displacing. Now the problem here is what follows. I think I went on the 1-minute time frame. So 1-minute time frame. Okay, let me delete everything. Okay, I think, yeah, so I think I went on the 1-minute time frame. So this is where I went. Okay, draw tools. Okay, so this here is pretty much liquidity. Got taken out. We have big displacement on the downside to take out liquidity. And what has happened is we immediately are getting a push on the upside. Let me just zoom in again. Okay, so here we go. And immediately we are getting, we wicked, and we push higher. Now the problem I had is I entered off this candle here. So I entered off this candle. And I was like, okay, price gonna go, and so on and so forth. Now what I should, okay, so let me show you what happened. So I entered off this high here. Okay, now my stop was of course going to be here, isn't it? My stop was going to be here. Okay, and then my target was this high here, and I was going to go crazy, and I was like, okay, so I said, look, we still have this inefficiency on the higher time frame to tap into. Let's have me show you. Okay, we still have the inefficiency on the higher time frame. Where is it? Yeah, we still have this fair value gap here that we need to fill in. Okay, let's go and fill this up. Okay, and what happened is price continued to go downwards. Price started to continue to go downwards. Okay, now this took me out massively. So this took me out. So this took me out. So this trade here took me out. Okay, now this trade took me out, and this brought me to maybe negative something here. Okay, but I was still not. My account was not blown. My own account was not blown. My account was not blown. Now so okay. And then what happened is market came down, wicked me out, wicked me out, wicked me out. Was somewhere here, wicked me out, and then I saw something else. Let me show you what I saw. I saw something else, and I was like, okay. So market came down, printed this hammer candle. Okay. Now where is this hammer candle form? His hammer candle form at a extreme POI here. Okay. And I was like, okay, so all good. Right, now do we see a follow through? I see a follow through, which is this candle here, and I entered off. Did I enter this one? I entered here. I'm not sure where I entered, but I entered. I think I entered again. So I entered somewhere here. I entered again. Let me see. Check liquidity. Come up. Okay, and I think I entered here at some point. Yeah, my stop was here. Okay. And then again, my target was the same stuff. My target was the same stuff. Now, and I was okay. So maybe, so again, so I have this bias. I have this for today. I had the bullish bias. That's what I have. I had the bullish bias. I was like, looking for a buy. Okay, and then when market went down to wick this, I was like, okay, so it could be that this demand area, we still had some liquidity build up in it. Market went down to tap into it, and then we also have these equal lows here. And what is market doing? Market took down this liquidity, and market is also going to take down this liquidity. Therefore, we have this this hammer candle to print, and then we're going to go upwards. Now we need to go up. I was close to bring the account back to where to how it was before. Okay, to how to I was back to so okay, so market came down here. I was very happy. Went down to this point. I was very sad. It went up again. I was very happy. And what happened is it started going against me. Started going against me. Now here is the crazy thing I did. Uh, Instead of being stopped out, I increased the stop loss. I increased the stop loss in this case. Okay, and what I was thinking, okay, so if price came down, came back to my entry, okay, and then I'm going to close the trade. And what happened is price came here. I didn't close the trade. Price went down again. Again, I was thinking of when it goes back, I'm going to close the trade. Now, what happened here? I started seeing intention coming into the market. I can start seeing set buyers coming in, candle, candle, and big candle. And I was like, okay, so here I was up, and I think it brought my account back to I think 2025. I think it was. And I was like, okay, all good, all good. And I think I was what time? What time is this? Yeah, and then market went down, and I was like, okay, that's fine. It's this small pullback, and market start going up. Everything's all good. Everything's all good. But unfortunately, what happened is market just went down. Market just went down. So market just went shoop, took me out. Boom, took me out completely, and then this blew my account up. I think I can show you the trade journal. Okay, so brought the account up, and then that's the trade that took me out in this particular case. You can actually see my entries. Maybe I'm not putting my entry properly, but it was definitely in this area. I was buying. You can see uh, in buy, in buy. So I was always buying. Okay, now can someone please, okay, all right, can someone please help me fix? Okay, so why is it that I'm losing again? So I made a video before why I was losing. Okay, and I wanted my system to be mechanical. And you can see that it's just going down. Okay, look at that, look at that. It's just market. I mean, gold is just crashing. Gold is just going down, going completely down. Now, instead of buying, if I went short, I would have probably passed my phase 2 account. Crazy stuff. Trading, my friend. Trading is insane. Okay. Um, I also was looking for another trade. I think it was another trade on natural gas. Maybe natural gas was going down as well. Copper. No, not copper. Commodities going down. Commodities. Yeah. Okay. And then this is just this is just a demo account because I'm going back into demo account for now, just testing stuff again. Why is this happening? I want to understand why is the market doing what it needs to do. Okay, there has to be something there. Now, it could be news, could be something else, but I'm thinking mostly has to do with the dollar. Okay, that's what we're going to be looking at today. Okay, undecided. Okay, no, nothing there. UK ready this week. There's nothing ready this week. Okay, so let's take a look at forex. I think that's the dollar. Okay, let's go there. Let's go there for our time frame. Let's close this. Let's do this there. Okay, so dollar is indeed bullish. Now the dollar, and what I need to check is DX. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so dollar is what? Okay. We delete this. Then we go in the daily time frame. Okay, that's where we are. Okay. Now you can actually see that dollar's been very bullish. Okay, so simple uptrend is enough. You can see clearly get bullish. Now if we use our EMA, yeah, so 7th Friday was a big opportunity to enter here, even here as well. Okay, all right. If the market is trending up, then it's going to be much easier to trade. Okay, so again, because why? Because we have high, low, and you expected this high to be broken. So again, so enter some point at in the lower time frame, stop loss somewhere there, and then going to target this unmitigated wick here. 1:7. We just run it right, nice and easy. Same thing here. Come back down. It's maybe here. Stop below this here, and look out to take out this unmitigated wick, or this double wick here, because there's 2 wicks there. Let me take a look at this one. There's the 2 wicks, so has taken liquidity. Okay, so this is 2 wicks, so we can go 2 wicks there. Okay, so we can go there. All right, you can actually see 1:4. We can drop it down further. Okay, now here we go. So here we have a big swing from July all the way till August. A big massive swing there, which changes the bias completely. Come back, and then we start going up. Okay, so this is the thing that we want to see. Okay, now how can I fix myself? That's the question I want to ask. How can I fix myself? How can I fix this? Oh my god, it's crazy. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna start demo account. I'm gonna go back to the demo account. I'm gonna create an account. So I'm gonna do 2 things. I'm gonna create same thing. This will not, unfortunately, this will not help me with this size. This will not help me with the size. Okay, so we'll call this phase 1. Okay, great. Okay, that's phase 1. Okay, so this is the account I'm trading. Okay, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, because I want let me show you the proof that I actually passed the first phase. Yeah, I'm gonna hide my name, of course. Okay, so go on achievements. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard and go on achievements. Here we go. So this is actually 3. You can actually see when I passed it. I passed the first phase in May 2024. In June, and I blew this account 10k, and then I got another account which is 25k, which I bought, and which this is, and I messed up again. Okay, that's the problem I'm having. Okay, can someone please help me out if you can? Okay, all right, if you can, if you know what we're doing. Okay, all right. Now, let me show you. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you learned something from it. And let's take what we got on gold. Yeah, gold is currently trying to drop again. This is the trade I was at. Well, this is the trade I messed up again. Okay, you can see. Okay. Alright, so many people were long on gold, you know. So many people were looking, okay, so this is the demand zone. Okay, so this is the way we're going to buy and sell. Okay, so people will be looking to buy on this trend line. Unfortunately, this trend line got broken down, so we may go down to this point here. Yeah, see, go up, came back down again. Okay, and then it's not been so this at this point we have not been able to push it past this. So here, so this demand, first of all, touch, took out liquidity, and what happened is we went even higher, took out this high. But this one, what happened is we have not tapped into this again. So we can have a big drop to this point to take out more liquidity before going up again. So we need to see this. Again, help me out, yeah? Any help will be appreciated, yeah? I'm gonna help you improve as well. Thank you very much.